Greetings, everyone. I am Nelvia Bullock with Costello Real Estate and Investments. Welcome to my newest listing, located at 2108 Priory Court in the amenity-rich neighborhood of Fountain Grove. This beautiful 3-car garage brick home boasts so much. You're going to love everything you see on the inside. Let's go take a look. Walk into the impressive foyer opening into the office with French doors. This thoughtful floor plan is designed with plenty of windows to illuminate your home with a natural sun glow. The grand primary suite features a large separate sitting area, 2 walk-in closets, soaking tub with a separate shower and dual vanities. 3 additional bedrooms adorn the second floor, giving you an abundance of space. And take a look at this incredibly massive bonus room. Envision endless movie nights here. My absolute favorite feature of this home is the lovely outdoor sunroom. Imagine relaxing here in the mornings with your cup of coffee and listening to the tranquil nature sounds. Situated on a cul-de-sac in one of University's most sought-after neighborhoods, Fountain Grove offers community pools, clubhouses, playgrounds, and walking trails to enjoy. Plus, it's just minutes from I-485 with quick access to Charlotte, Concord, and Lake Norman areas. This one won't last long. For a private showing, contact me below. See you next time.